Good day, sir. I'm here to discuss the chosen topic of emerging technologies, which is artificial intelligence. So, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processed by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, seek recognition, and machine vision. How does AI work? As the type around AI has accelerated, vendors have been scrambling to promote how their products and services use AI. Often, what they refer to as AI is simply one component of AI, such as machine learning. No one programming language is synonymous with AI, but a few, including Python, R, and Java, are popular. In general, AI systems work by ingesting large amounts of labeled training data, analyzing the data for correlations and patterns, and using these patterns to make predictions about future states. In this way, a chat box that is fed examples of text chats can learn to produce lifelike exchanges with people, or an image recognition tool can learn to identify and describe objects and images by reviewing millions of examples. AI programming focuses on three cognitive skills. First is learning, second, reasoning, third, self-correction. Learning process. This aspect of AI programming focuses on acquiring data and creating rules for how to turn the data into actionable information. The rules, which are called algorithms, provide computing devices with step-by-step instructions for how to complete a specific task. Reasoning processes. This aspect of AI programming focuses on choosing the right algorithm to reach a desired outcome. Self-correction processes. This aspect of AI programming is designed to continually fine-tune algorithms and ensure they provide the most accurate results possible. So why is artificial intelligence important? AI is important because it can give enterprises insights into their operations that they may not have been aware of previously, and because, in some cases, AI can perform tasks better than humans, particularly when it comes to repetitive, detail-oriented tasks like analyzing large numbers of legal documents to ensure relevant fields are filled in properly. AI tools often complete jobs quickly and with relatively few errors. This has helped fuel an explosion in efficiency and opened the door to entirely new business opportunities for some larger enterprises. Prior to the current wave of AI, it would have been hard to imagine using computer software to connect riders to taxis. But today, Uber has become one of the largest companies in the world by doing just that. It utilizes sophisticated machine learning algorithms to predict when people are likely to need rides in certain areas, which helps proactively get drivers on the road before they need it. What are the advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence? Artificial neural networks and deep learning artificial intelligence technologies are quickly evolving, primarily because AI processes large amounts of data much faster and makes predictions more accurately than human possible. While the huge volume of data being created on a daily basis would vary a human researcher, AI applications that use machine learning can take that data and quickly turn it into actionable information. As of this writing, the primary disadvantage of using AI is that it is expensive to process the large amounts of data that AI programming requires. So here are the advantages. First is good at detail-oriented jobs. Second, reduce time for data-heavy tasks. Third, delivers consistent results. And fourth is AI-powered virtual agents are always available. And this is the disadvantages. First, expensive. Third, second, requires deep technical expertise. Third, limited supply of qualified workers to build AI tools. Fourth is only knows what it's been shown. And fifth is lack of ability to generalize from one task to another. So, what are the examples of AI technology and how it is used today? First is automation. When paired with AI technologies, automation tools can expand the volume and types of tasks performed. An example is robotic process automation or RPA, a type of software that automates repetitive rules-based data processing tasks done by humans. Second is machine learning. This is the science of getting a computer to act without programming. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that, in very simple terms, can be thought of as the automation of predictive analytics. Here are the three types of machine learning algorithms. First, supervised learning. Second, unsupervised learning. Third, reinforcement learning. Supervised learning datasets are labeled so that patterns can be detected and used to label new datasets. Unsupervised learning datasets aren't labeled and are sorted according to similarities or differences. And reinforcement learning datasets aren't labeled, but after performing an action or several actions, the AI system is given feedback. So, machine vision, this technology gives a machine the ability to see. Machine vision captures and analyzes visual information using a camera, analog to digital conversion, and digital signal processing. Natural language processing or NLP. This is the processing of human language by a computer program. One of the older and best known examples of NLP is spam detection, which looks at the subject line and text of an email and decides if it's junk. Robotics. This field of engineering focuses on the design and manufacturing of robots. Robots are often used to perform tasks that are difficult for humans to perform or perform consistently. For example, robots are used in assembly lines for car production or by NASA to move large objects in space. The last is self-driving cars. Autonomous vehicles use a combination of computer vision, image recognition, and deep learning to build automated skill at piloting a vehicle while staying in a given lane and avoiding unexpected obstructions such as pedestrians. And that's all. Thank you.